I've been all around the globe, seen the sun and watched it glow. Love is all I crave to know.
Cool, right? If you still think that creating viral videos with AI means starting everything from scratch in Vio 3.1 or Sora 2, you're already behind. Today, a technology has emerged that simply clones the creative DNA of any viral video. It's not inspiration, it's not a generic template. It's a real reproduction of style, rhythm, visual effects, framing, and even the cinematic feel. And the most interesting part is this. This technology comes from ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. Its name is Pippit, and in this video, I'm going to show you why it can completely change the game of viral videos with AI. Deal? So let's see how it works. Pippit is an AI-powered video creation tool focused on creative replication based on references. In practice, it works like this. You take a viral video, whether it was created in Vio 3.1, Sora 2, or even by a human creator, and you use that video as a direct reference. So what happens? Pipit analyzes the visual language, the editing rhythm, the cinematic effects, the camera movement, the audio style, and even the narrative structure. And then it recreates all of that in a new original video, without you having to rebuild the project from scratch. Let's see how all of this works in practice. Imagine you see a video on TikTok or X with some crazy cinematic effects. With perfect lighting, smooth camera movement, and an epic soundtrack. How do you do that? You click the link down below in the video description. Then you sign up for the tool. You already get some credits here so you can test it out. Then you click here, Video Generator. Next, you click on this menu and choose the AI model you want to use. Vio 3.1 and Sora 2 are available. I'll select Vio 3.1. I'll click here on the icon to upload the reference video. This is the video I chose. I'll click open. Done. As soon as it finishes uploading the video, an automatic prompt appears. Analyze the highlights of the reference video and create a similar one. Here, you will also choose the format you want. In other words, the aspect ratio. 16:9 or 9:16, I'll leave it at 9:16 and ask it to create. What stands out the most is that you have the same camera language, the same cinematic atmosphere, the same visual intensity, but with completely new content. Really cool, right? Now think about another type of viral video. Those with simple but brilliant ideas that grab your attention in the very first seconds. So, once again, I'm going to upload my reference video here, but this time I want to use the original video and insert some images that I have here on my computer. So for that, I'm going to use this prompt. Use images to create a video similar to the one you want to imitate, reproducing the creative highlights of the reference video. Spoken or written content is not allowed. Now, I'm going to upload the images here. Done, image uploaded, ratio chosen, Vio 3.1 model, now just send it. Here, the coolest thing is that PPT replicates the hook structure, the pacing of the information, and the visual style. But it allows you to completely change the theme, the text, and the characters. And as a result, you create new videos with a very high chance of retention, because they're already based on something that has been proven to work. Now, have you ever seen those videos where everything seems perfectly synchronized? Image, soundtrack, cuts, and effects? Pippit can analyze this entire package and generate a new video while maintaining the same energy. So, for this example, let's load a viral video here. I'm going to use this one of Santa Claus, who was stopped at a checkpoint, and it's really cool. I'm going to leave the prompt on auto, use the Vio 3.1 model 9:16 aspect ratio, and let's generate. In this side-by-side comparison, we can see the reference video and the one that was created by Pipit. You can feel it clearly. Same impact, same rhythm, same viral potential. This use case is ideal for those who want to scale channels quickly, test multiple variations, and produce at scale without losing quality. Incredible, right? Pippit makes one thing very clear. The next phase of AI video creation isn't creating from scratch, it's replicating what already works. While many people are still trying to get the prompt right, in Vio 3.1 or Sora 2, tools like Pippit are focused on speed, scale, and results. If you want to try it out, the link is here in the description and in the first pinned comment. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.